Evo go crazy.
Gentle B.
We on our way to the machine shop right now to pick up these heads. They finally clean. I've been waiting like a week and a half, and I was like, bro, it don't take that long to get my stuff clean. So I called up there, and they said the dude in the back didn't turn in the ticket, but my head's done. So I'm finna go pick up my heads. And man, I'm ready to put this engine together, man. I'm telling y'all, I really been grinding, man. Been pricing up these parts, ordering parts, cause I'm telling y'all this thing gonna be crazy when I'm finished. It's gonna be crazy, man. But yeah, man, I'm gonna hit y'all up when we get back to the machine shop. Yo, we are at the machine shop. We got the freaking heads back, man. Look at them joints, man. They got them all cleaned up, man. It's raining though, so I'm gonna really record when we get back to the crib. I don't want these getting wet, man. Hey, man. We back at the crib. Finna show y'all what these heads look like, cause I really couldn't show y'all cause it was raining and stuff. So finna put y'all on my head, man. Put y'all on my head, man. Hold on. Put y'all on my head so we can get right. Here they go. Here they go. Yeah, they real clean though. Yes, sir, ski. Putting him right here. They really look nice though. Turn this light on. Yeah, they look straight, bro. And like, Lord, what he done? Yes, sir, yes, sir. Number two. It's the bottom of that bit. Ooh. Yeah, they got him right. No cracks either. So you know we turned. Yes, sir. I see we got all the other stuff over here. God, this, man. Head gasket, oil gasket, man. We got the timing kit now. I just gotta get some more cams, bro, cause them hoes right there, boof. Can't use them. So y'all stay tuned for them cams, cause I'm telling you, them cams gonna be crazy. Got the oil pan right there. Yeah, man, we finna start putting that bit back together for real. Changed that oil yesterday. I told y'all that bit running way smoother. I need an oil change. So yeah, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. We're coming up with more content, man. So yeah, y'all stay tapped in, like, comment, subscribe to the video. Ski!